Happy Mother's Day!
everyone! It's Mother's Day. So, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay-nanayan. Yes. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the whole wide world and to all the mothers that I dearly valued, that I always pray, you know your name, and to the mothers na walang celebration today, Happy Mother's Day. To the mothers that had been sacrificing for the family, Happy Mother's Day. To the mothers of those who are hurting, Happy Mother's Day. And sa mga mothers, spiritual mothers, so Happy Mother's Day. Sa mga mothers na tumayong mother at father, Happy Mother's Day. So enjoy the celebration, and I pray that we will continuously be a blessing to the home, to the house that we are, and to the family that we are assigned by the Lord. So may the Lord bless us always and everything that we say and do as a mom, and as the light of the house, and as a blessing to the family. So happy Mother's Day.